Hey guys, welcome back. It's Aurora here. Today, I'm playing some Paco. If you don't know what Paco is, it's Pirates Online. Get it? Me and Gorilla will friend you and we'll play with you. So, please leave a like and subscribe if you're new. So yeah, basically. So we're gonna spawn at Royal Port. Last night, Gorilla, he didn't put it on YouTube, but I don't know if he will. He might. What? He might. Jack's, a guy that could beat us. I had to move you guys there. So you guys, a map. I go fishing, guys. So, I have my gun license in this. You need a license, then you need to learn how to do it. Yeah. So, let's go. Yeah. Okay, we fart. Okay. We're going pretty deep. You guys can see the fishies. It's cool. I'll put you guys right there. Let's go, baby. Let's go fishing again. It's gonna want to escape. Yeet. Nope. Level 2, baby. Let's go. So we're gonna stop fishing. I don't know if any. I'm gonna see if my friends are on. Am I gone? Yep. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go battle a ship. So I'm gonna launch my ship. I'm gonna be playing with, I'll show you when we get on the ship. My ship is gonna be broken, probably. Oh yeah. My ship. This is the guy that's the guy that, he's my friend. Sorry for the barking. So, let's go find this last ship that I need. I need a navy, but okay, we don't want to go near these guys. Right over here. Hold on. Let me see if I can do it. This is my... I have to move you guys up to here. It's my inventory. My name is Bobby. I kind of just regret shooting those. Don't flip around. Let's go, baby. We need to stay away from ships. So guys, I was just showing you the game a little. Like, you need to buy the ship. Cuba. So you can't sail too close to shore. Okay, I found it, guys. My last one, and then I can get this quest done. Here it is. Oh, slow her down. 1. Dang it, miss. We're flipping it. We're gonna turn around. So then I can use the cannon on this side. Okay, guys. Oh, dodge that. Right into the... Hit him. Oh, he dodged us. Two shoots off of this side, one shoots off of it. Okay. Are you getting in or no? Okay. Yeah. It's hard to focus. Ship is so big. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to wrap up the stream here, the video. See ya.